Taking in her Bambi.
Wait up. No, Sonia. Oh, Sonia! No! Leave it! Leave it, Sonia! You eat with a spoon, you're not a dog. Okay. Messy. Baby, messy baby. Oh, okay. Why are you playing holy with the... No, no, no. No. That is not acceptable. You have to eat with a spoon. You can't dunk your face in the bowl. Do you know how you look now? When you grow up, these are the pictures I'll show you. I'll show you how you used to eat.